ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Today I'm having a go at creating a 3D effect using my new and first lot of Prismacolor Premier Colored Pencils. And I'm starting off with the dark brown and a white to get a dark and a light effect. Now the first one I did do off camera and I got my reference from Pinterest. I must admit I really enjoy using the white pencil because it gives me the effect of gouache. I love that creamy blending effect that the white gives. Now using the green, I also added in the blender, which is the colourless Prismacolor pencil, as well as the white. At this point I still think the one I did off camera looks better, and now I'm doing a dark red with the white and the blender. Except this time I actually added the blender first to see if that would give a smooth transition for the white and the red. Actually didn't come out so great, and I'm just neatening things up and doing on the green as well, the shadow a bit better. And now I'm going to be moving on to the violet blue with the white and the blender pencil. And this comes out really lovely. It's my favourite one, I think. I find that the blues, the dark blues in this set of Prismacolors actually seem to blend really well with the white. But what do you think? Which is your favourite one? I'm just adding little bits of the layers and touching up here and there and blending out the shadow, and I then try to see if I can erase with the mono eraser. Doesn't erase that great, but using the Faber-Castell dust-free eraser, things do erase good. And now I'm going on to a lighter red, and I am going to be blending again with the white and the blender pencil. And then I changed my mind and got rid of the white pencil and changed it for cream, and was seeing if I could still get the same blending effect that I was with the white. And it was turning out very well because the red is actually red and not the dark red that I'd used earlier. And with the sleeve of my top I'm gently polishing the drawing because it makes it all shiny. And now I've decided to go in with a dark red. It's kind of a crimson or magenta, and I'm using a light pink for the blending. And again, this has come out really nice. And of course I'm blending using the blender pencil. For my testing, I have noted that some of the colours are more creamy and blendable than the others. So now I'm going to be doing a dark blue, a light blue, and then I changed my mind because it turned out the dark blue was a violet, and so I went for a pale lilac pencil. And I found this came out quite nice as well, but again not as good as that blue one up there. I'd love to know what your opinion is on how I've gotten on, and I used a paper from Daler Rowney. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.